How to make an origami bird. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to meet the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold it over and crease it down. Now open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the opposite corners. Now turn it over and fold the bottom edge of the paper up to the top edge. Do the same with the other side. Now fold the paper in on itself to form a small square. It should look like this. Fold the top pieces of paper into the centre line. Now fold the top point over the bits you've just folded. Open it up and pull the top piece out. Reverse the folds in on itself to create the first wing. Turn the paper over and, like before, fold the two sides in to the centre line. Now open it up and pull the top piece out, just like the other side. With the bottom two flaps, fold them outwards so that the top edge runs in line with this fold. Fold it back down and then reverse the fold so that it's tucked inside. Do the same with the other end. Almost complete now, we just need to make the beak, so with one of the ends fold it down like so. Unfold and reverse the fold so that it's tucked inside. Now curl your wings out a little and then you're good to go. To flap the wings, hold the inside pieces at the bottom and pour them outwards and inwards like so. So yeah, that's about it really. Just be a nice person. Because if everyone was nice to one another, we'd all live happier lives. Oh, hello. Excuse me for a minute, someone's got some chips down there and I want them. Cheerio! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.